All right, stop scrolling, young man, young lady, stop scrolling. You are now a candidate. Pick your pen and let's solve this question together. Quick. So we are going to learn how to find the gradient of a line from its equation. So with this time around, we've been given the equation of the line and we are going to find the gradient. Are you okay? Good. Now, I'm not going to waste much of your time because I know you will still want to go back scrolling. So this is what we are going to do. This is what I need you to know. The equation of a line is giving us y is equal to mx plus c. Are you getting it? Good. And this m here, okay, is the gradient we are going to look for. Are you okay? And the c over here, okay, we call it the y-intercept. Yes, I know you don't understand. Yes, so it is just English language. When you say intercept, it's like you come in between something. So this is it. When this, let's say this is our x and y axis, this is our x axis, right? And this is our what? Y axis. Okay, now, and let's say this is the line. Okay, when they say y-intercept, they are asking you, where did the line pass through the y, which is this place? Where did it cut the y-axis? So y-intercept, where did the line cut the y-axis? This side. Are you getting it? That is what it's standing for. So when they ask you what is the x-intercept, they are also asking you, where did the line cut the x-axis? Are you getting it? So the whole idea here is that we are going to rewrite this thing to look like this. Are you getting it? Let's take the first example. You understand it properly. The first example, A, we were given 3y plus 6x, right, is equal to what? 12. Is that not it? So we are going to rewrite this thing for it to look like this. Now, this is what is going to happen. We know that we can see the y here, so we will not move the y term. So we will leave the 3y here. Okay, it's equal to, over here there's already 12 here. You take your time. But this plus 6x here, okay, it is when it crosses the equal to sign, the plus has to change to what? Minus. So it becomes what? Minus 6x. But let us look at it carefully. Look at how the thing was written. So I want to rearrange this part properly so that the first number will have like something like with the 6 attached. Are you getting it? So I'll rewrite it as 3y is equal to minus 6x plus 12. There is no sign in front of this 12, so it means that it is what? Positive. Are you getting it? But when you look at this carefully, it is y alone. So I am going to divide everything by what? By the coefficient of what? Y. And the coefficient of y in this case is what? 3. So this over 3 and this 2 over what? 3. So 3 will cancel 3. And I have the y is equal to. Now let us look at what is going to happen. 3 will cancel itself, right? 3 here. 1. 3 into 6, how many times? 2. 3 here, 1. 3 here, 4. So at the end of the day, what do we have left? We have what? The minus sign, and then we have 2x, right? Plus what? 4. So now if we rewrite the whole thing again, the formula, y is equal to mx plus c, and we are comparing, okay? This is it. The c is equal to what? Plus 4, right? The whole of this thing is this. So x and x, right? The m, right, is equal to what? Minus 2. The y and y. Are you okay? So the gradient is equal to what? Minus what? 2. The m here is positive. what number is attached to the x? It is what? Minus what? 2, which is the gradient. Did you really get it? Okay, let's take the next example. Okay, I'm sure with the next example you will understand it. So this one, it has already been arranged for us. So the only thing we are going to do here is to get the y to be standing alone. It is the only thing we are going to do. So what are we going to do? We will divide everything by the coefficient of what? Y. What is attached to the y is what? 4. So we will divide this side by 4, and we divide this by 4. We will also divide this by 4. So we will be having what? 4y is equal to 2x minus 3. And then we will divide this by what? 4. We will divide this side 2 by 4, and we divide this 2 by what? 4. So the 4 will cancel the 4. Now the y is standing alone. Are we getting it? 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. 3 and 4, there is no common factor apart from 1. Are you getting it? So at the end of the day, we are getting what? 1 over 2. Do you see the 1 here? And do you see the 2 here? And then the x, I hope you are seeing it, minus 3 over what? 4. Does it make sense to you? Yeah, I know it does. So what happens? Now we are going to compare. Y is equal to mx plus what? C. Are you getting it? So if we have this, then it means that what? The whole of this, the c is equal to what? Minus 3 over 4, right? And then the x is this, the x is this, but the m, it is what? 1 over 2. So our answer is what? M is equal to what? 1 over what? 2. I hope it makes sense to us. Great. Let's take the next question. Again, the first thing you have to do is to make sure that you are having the term containing the y at the left hand side. Are you okay? So that we can compare it with the formula. So we'll be having what? Minus 4y, okay, is equal to, because we are taking all the other stuff to where? To the other side. So it becomes what? Minus what? 12 what? X, because it is positive here. So when it crosses the equal sign, it becomes what? Negative. That is the rule. Now, over here, at the left hand side, initially it was minus 3, but it is also moving to this side. So it becomes what? Plus what? 3. I hope you understand. So we'll be having what? Minus 4y is equal to minus 12x plus 3. What are we going to do to get the y to stand alone? We are going to divide everything by what? The coefficient of y, which is minus 4. So we divide this side by minus 4. We will divide this by minus 4. And we are also going to divide this by what? Minus 4. Are you getting it? Good. So minus 4 will cancel minus 4. So now our y is standing alone. Minus will cancel the minus. Do you see that? Good. 4 will cancel itself 1. It will cancel 12 how many times? 3 times. So what are we having? Well, is there any common factor apart from 1 for 3 and 4? No. So we are having what? 3x. But watch something carefully here. It is positive 3 divided by negative 4. The rule is that whenever a positive number divides a negative number, or the vice versa, the answer must be negative. So our answer is what? 3 minus 3 over what? 4. So when we compare this thing to the equation of a line, which is y is equal to mx plus c, it means that at the end of the day, minus 3 over 4 is equal to what? The c, right? So it means that the c is equal to what? Minus 3 over 4. Okay? And then the m is also equal to what? The 3. Are you okay? So therefore, m is equal to what? 3. So thank you so much for your time. I want you to solve the D and then the E question on your own and drop the answer in the comment section. Please don't just leave. Kindly like, subscribe, and feel free to ask any questions you have. All the best.